Begin tomorrow morning in a Lori Vallow Daybell trial. After that, jurors will then begin deliberation.
There are a lot of key moments that could make a difference. News specialist Lauren Steinbrecher is live in Boise, Idaho tonight with a look at those. Lauren?
Yeah, Deanie and Mike. So as the prosecution and defense get ready to push their final message to jurors tomorrow morning, here's a look back at some of those bigger moments, those pieces of evidence, those pieces of testimony that jurors have heard over the past 4 weeks.
More than 4 weeks and 60 witnesses. Testimony from people hoping to prove Lori Vallow Daybell killed her children and conspired to kill her husband Chad Daybell's late wife Tammy. The first big bomb came during opening arguments when the prosecution announced how Tammy died.
Tammy died at the hands of another, and that the cause of her death was asphyxiation.
It wouldn't be until a few weeks later we learned how J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan were murdered. J.J. by asphyxiation from a plastic bag over his head and signs of a struggle.
There appeared to be scratch-like abrasions on the left side of the neck.
However, the Idaho coroner could only rule Tylee's death was homicide by unspecified means because her remains were dismembered and burnt. Then there was the DNA evidence that came to light, like Lori's late brother Alex Cox's palm and fingerprint found on the plastic wrapped around JJ, and Lori's hair found on the duct tape used to bind him. A huge revelation for JJ's grandfather, Larry Woodcock.
It was like the biggest nail in the coffin.
And the testimony of Lori's former friend, Audrey Baratero, who testified that Lori threatened to kill her.
She said that she would cut me up. And something about that she wasn't in the mental place to do that, but that she would get herself in that place to be able to do it.
The defense didn't call any witnesses, resting not long after the prosecution finished.
So closing arguments begin tomorrow morning here, Ada County Courthouse, 8:30 a.m. And Mike, everything filled up within moments this morning, but we do have a ticket into the courtroom, so we will be sitting inside there as we hear those closing arguments and hear what they have to say. Back to you.
No, we appreciate you keeping tabs on it, and we'll keep checking back with you, Lauren. Thank you. Our KSL crews, as mentioned, they're keeping a close eye on the decision in this case. Our team is ready in Boise for the final verdict. Stay